Welcome, everyone. Have you ever imagined a tech world that blends our digital and physical lives seamlessly? Today, we dive deep into the Apple Vision Pro, the next big thing in augmented and virtual reality. Released just this year, the Vision Pro is not only a headset but also what Apple calls a spatial computer. With a price tag of $3,500, you might be wondering, is it worth it? Let's explore. Straight from the mouth of Apple's CEO, Tim Cook, he acknowledges that right now, at that hefty price, the Vision Pro is aimed at early adopters. You might be thinking, who are these early adopters? Well, they're tech enthusiasts who crave tomorrow's technology today. So, while the masses might not bite, there are people out there who are absolutely thrilled to get their hands on such cutting-edge tech. Take a look at the design of the Apple Vision Pro. It's a fusion of modern aesthetics and functionality, boasting two micro-OLED displays that deliver over 4K resolution to each eye. That's more than 23 million pixels. For the tech-savvy folks, you know why this matters. It means crisp, immersive visuals that transport you to another world. But is that enough for consumers? Imagine lounging on your couch and wearing the Vision Pro while diving into a vast universe of entertainment. With the immersive environments, you can transform your living room into a 100-foot wide theater, engaging with content like never before. And yes, it's not just movies. Apple has introduced unique content like Submerged, a groundbreaking film made exclusively for the Vision Pro. That's an experience that might tempt you to take the plunge. Beyond entertainment, the Apple Vision Pro is making waves in the medical field. Surgeons at UC San Diego are pioneering its use in laparoscopic surgeries. Imagine wearing a headset that lets you overlay vital stats and imaging directly on the surgery site. A surgeon reported that wearing the headset reduces their risk of errors while improving their performance. This kind of innovation can elevate surgical standards and make surgeries safer. Now let's talk apps. A major hurdle Apple faces is the lack of killer apps that would make the Vision Pro irresistible. Developers are hesitant to invest heavily in something that hasn't gained mainstream traction. In February this year, we saw 252 apps initially launch, but fast forward today, and we're looking at just 2 new apps in September. It's a classic catch-22. Without great apps, consumers won't buy, and without consumers, developers won't invest. Analysts predict that the Vision Pro will struggle to sell more than 500,000 units this year, quite underwhelming given Apple's usual success. What does it need? The answer is simple: exciting, groundbreaking apps that offer unique features tailored to the device. As Tim Cook said, it takes time for innovations to bear fruit. Perhaps we'll see more compelling applications in the coming months. But don't count Apple Vision Pro out just yet. What's truly fascinating is that this is just the beginning. With Apple's track record, think about the evolution of products like the iPod or iPhone. Those were once niche products that found their way into the mainstream. Cook believes the Vision Pro has the potential to reach that level of ubiquity in the future. It just takes the right time and development. What sets the Vision Pro apart is the concept of spatial computing. You can interact with multiple apps simultaneously in your own 3D space. Apple's vision is of a world where you're not limited to a screen and a desk. Instead, your entire environment can become the interface. Imagine having your work documents hovering in front of you while you enjoy your favorite movie in a virtual environment. One of the standout features is how customizable everything is. With intuitive hand gestures, your workspace setup can change in an instant. No more stacks of papers or shifting windows on your regular desktop. Everything is fluid, freeing you to be as productive as possible. And remember, this isn't a distant dream. It's available right now with the Apple Vision Pro. As a creator, I'm always striving for improvement, and your input matters. If you have thoughts on what you'd like to see in future videos or how I can enhance my content, drop your suggestions in the comments. Building this community together is my goal, and your feedback will help elevate everything we do here. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to celebrate the users who have embraced the Apple Vision Pro. Their experiences, creative use cases, and the community sharing ideas is what propels innovation forward. It's exciting to think about how this tech could make our lives richer and more engaging. Have you tried the Vision Pro yet? Share your stories with us. As we glance into the tech crystal ball, the future of the Apple Vision Pro is brimming with promise. Leaders in tech, like Tim Cook, showcase tremendous faith in this product's potential. With upcoming updates like Vision OS 2 and improved app capabilities, it's safe to say that we are on the brink of something big. Apple is working hard to ensure that the Vision Pro evolves into a must-have device. Thank you for joining me today as we explore the Apple Vision Pro's features, challenges, and the road ahead. Your support keeps this channel going, and I'm incredibly grateful for every single one of you. If you found this information valuable, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's keep this tech journey together. Until next time, keep exploring technology and its endless possibilities.